Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to create a QR code with Canva. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your Canva design or create a new one if you're starting from scratch. Once you're in the editor, you'll see a side panel on the left side of your screen. Go ahead and click on Apps. This is where Canva keeps all its additional features and integrations that extend beyond the basic design tools. Once the Apps panel opens, you'll notice a search bar at the top. Click on it and type in QR code. This will filter through all the available apps and show you the ones specifically designed for generating QR codes. Canva offers a dedicated QR code app that makes this process incredibly straightforward. From the search results, select the QR code app that Canva displays. You'll see an Open button next to it, so click on that to launch the app within your editor. This will open up the QR code generator interface right inside your workspace, so you don't need to leave Canva or use any external tools. Now, here's where you add the link you want your QR code to direct people to. In the URL field that appears, type the complete web address you want the QR code to open when someone scans it. This could be your website, a landing page, a social media profile, or any other link you want to share. Make sure the URL is correct before moving forward. Once you've entered your URL, click the Generate Code button. Canva will instantly create a QR code based on the link you provided and add it directly to your design canvas. This happens within seconds, so you'll see the QR code appear right away on your workspace. After the QR code appears, you can drag it to position it exactly where you want it on your design. Click and hold the QR code, then move it around until it's in the right spot. You can also resize it by clicking on the corners and dragging inward or outward to make it smaller or larger depending on how prominent you want it to be in your design. Finally, when you're satisfied with how everything looks, click the download button at the top right of your screen if you want to save the design to your device. Alternatively, you can use the share button to send it directly to others or publish it to your social media channels. This gives you flexibility in how you distribute your QR code design. And that's it, you've successfully created a custom QR code right inside Canva that you can use for marketing, events, or any other purpose. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.